welcome back to the online pastry school. I'm Ben Mariner, and today's question is a really quick one, which is, does baking powder go bad? So it depends on kind of what you mean by go bad. If you have baking powder in a cupboard for a year and don't use it, then it's not going to hurt you if you use it. But when it comes to having the same effect on the cakes and like fresh baking powder, then yes, it does go bad sometimes. Meaning it kind of won't work as well if it's been stored somewhere humid or it's really old. There's one way to test it though. If you put a spoonful of it into a bowl, pour over some boiling water, and then just see if it fizzes up. If it goes crazy and fizzes up, it's great to use. If it's a bit dull, then I would throw it away and get some fresh stuff. And you know, that's it really, at the risk of this being a short video. If you want to see some courses and some step-by-step tutorials on different recipes, breads, and cakes, just click the link below to go over to the pastry school and get access now, and I will see you soon.